Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Governor Punjab, Sardar Salim Haider Khan Sahab, Chairman Board of Governors, Professor Dr. Chaudhry Abdur Rahman Sahab, Pro-Rector, Superior University, Dr. Nizamuddin Sahab, distinguished guests, respected parents, faculty, alumni, and my dear graduates, Assalamu alaikum. It is my absolute honor to welcome all of you in Superior's Convocation 2025. I'm truly humbled with your presence to celebrate the success of our graduates today. I wish to congratulate all those who will be conferred with various degrees today. Being rector of Superior University, I always feel proud in saying that Superior University is not an ordinary university. It is a university driven by its vision, mission, and values. Our focus on student success has not only enabled us to bring improvements in quality of education, but also guiding us to design some creative and innovative solutions to address the challenge of student employability. Our very distinctive, innovative program, 3U1M, which is 3 years in the university, powered by project-based learning, and 1 market-intensive year, powered by 4 career streams, is very, very innovative program because it has a promise to prepare the graduates for market-ready skills and for the next generation of entrepreneurs. It's been 5 years since we implemented 3U1M program in Superior University. And I feel so proud in sharing that within 5 years, our 178 student-owned startups are commercial. They have created 1,800 new jobs and generated 1.3 billion revenue. And our employability has significantly improved from 70% to 90%. And in some of the departments, it is 100%. So I think it is 11 departments which secured 100% employability, so which is a huge recognition and achievement for Superior University. Our 3U1M program has started gaining recognition at national and international level. Comstek has nominated Superior University as their coordinator to implement our 3U1M program in OIC countries. And they have translated our program in French and Arabic, which is a huge recognition for our entire team. With the passage of time, we keep on improving and strengthening our 3U1M program. Considering the socioeconomic challenge that there are less job opportunities available in Pakistan, so last year we took the initiative and we offered 1M with global experience, with the aim to prepare our workforce for the global market. And for that purpose, we have established our campus in Ras Al Khaimah, Dubai, and we are offering our students 6 languages, including German, French, Arabic, and Chinese, to smooth their mobility into global marketplace. Not only that, considering or acknowledging the fact that our society is going through very challenging time with respect to tolerance, justice, and ethical leadership, I personally believe, and being rector, I always believe that our student or our graduates needs more than just technical skills. They need empathy, integrity, responsibility, honesty. They are essential too to achieve sustainable success in life. So during the past 1 year, we have been working on this phenomena to explore that how we can work on the character building of our graduates and to enable them to contribute positively in the society. So after rigorous research work of 1 year, we have successfully established and designed and implemented our character mastery framework in Superior University with the aim to bring more clarity to the idea of character education in higher education and the importance of holistic character development to achieve sustainable success. I strongly believe that if we want to nurture the responsible citizens and leaders of tomorrow, then we have to put character first to nurture the generation of wise thinkers and ethical leaders. Ladies and gentlemen, apart from bringing innovations in our educational models, we keep on improving our infrastructure, governance, and leadership at Superior University as well. So during the past few years, we have invested 600 million to improve the infrastructure. We have also invested 1.3 million for the faculty and staff development. And in order to improve the access to education, Rupees 2 billion scholarship has been awarded to deserving students by Superior Foundation. And not only that, in order to bring the diversity and inclusion, Superior Foundation have also awarded Rupees 1 billion scholarship to female students only. So that's how we are trying to improve the access to education in our university. Being rector, I'm also mindful of the fact that universities are known for their research. And our focus on applied research and commercialization has enabled us to improve the research productivity in the university during the past few years. Our productivity has increased considerably during the past few years. And this is just because of our focus on applied research and commercialization, and also our 5-year strategic plan, Soar to Roar, has some of the promising initiatives to make Superior University one of the leading research university of Pakistan by 2028, inshallah. Definitely you're going to witness that. As I walk across the campus, I feel so proud and contented that how far we have come. But being leader of this exceptional university, I believe there's still more to achieve, and we never stop dreaming big for the university. Ladies and gentlemen, all the developments and the transformations that has taken place in the university, I must recognize and appreciate the fact that it would not have been possible without the devotion, commitment, dedication, and hard work of my amazing teams of deans, program leaders, head of departments, faculty, students, and alumni. So thank you very much, everyone, for believing in my ideas and vision for Superior University. It would be unfair to proceed further without acknowledging the true leadership, the patronage, and the inspiring vision behind Superior University. And the credit of this vision goes to none than our visionary leader, Chairman Board of Governors, Professor Dr. Chaudhry Abdur Rahman. Thank you very much, sir, for giving us the vision and purpose of this university. My dear graduates, today's ceremony marks the completion of your studies, but it is the beginning of a whole new world of opportunities. I have no doubt that the education and the experience you gained from Superior University has enabled you with relevant skills needed to contribute positively in the society. Whether you are entering into the workforce or maybe pursuing higher studies or maybe embarking on any entrepreneurial venture, remember, you belong and you carry the legacy of the university that believes in pushing limits to create a positive impact into the society. So I urge you to become a role model. Work hard and never give up. Live your life with passion, purpose, integrity, and definitely remember one thing: there is no shortcuts to success. Success only comes with hard work, honesty, and persistence. So I wish you all the best and success in your life. Of course, this isn't a goodbye. Superior University is a community I want you to cherish by joining our esteemed Superior Alumni Association and stay connected with your alma mater. In the end, again, I would like to thank all those who have supported you throughout your journey, including your parents, your faculty, friends, and family. Thank you very much, all of you, for supporting our graduates to reaching this level today. So remember, 2 words can change your life. Be superior. Pakistan, Zindabad.